Hello Gohai lovers. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to install opportunities for workflows. We are on the agency level right now. We have to find for the app marketplace from here and search for opportunities. Here it is. Let's install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts or you can choose them all. If you choose them all, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic future installation as well. But right now, we're just choosing our specific sub account that is Buster Test. Allow and install. In a moment, it will be installed. And from here, the next step will be moving forward towards our sub account. You can see it from here as well. We are in our sub account level now. We have to find for the automations to create a workflow to check on what value is being provided by opportunities for workflows. You can find for the automations from here. Create a workflow, start from scratch. Here we are in our workflow builder. Let's just create a new action and find for opportunities. Here it is. These are the actions that you can use in your workflows and create your own automations. You can create opportunity, get, update, delete, and update opportunity status as well. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.